Who can issue SBLC? Do you require SBLC to import goods from overseas on credit basis? Are you searching answers for the questions like, who can issue SBLC? Is there any collateral required to get SBLC? How to get standby letter of credit at zero cash margin? We, the trusted and genuine SBLC providers, are here to help you by answering all your queries. Who can issue SBLC? Any banks or financial institutions can issue the SBLC once they are confident about the creditworthiness of the applicant. Is there any collateral required to get SBLC? Yes, of course, banks will demand you to provide 100% cash margin as collateral before issuing the standby letter of credit. They will consider your request only if you fall within their parameters. How to get standby letter of credit at zero cash margin? If you are facing lack of cash funds or bank facilities to open SBLC from your bank account, then you can contact us with your request. We can extend our bank facilities available in European banks and get the standby LC issued within 48 hours at zero collateral. To discuss your SBLC requirements with us, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.